Can you sneeze with your eyes open? Let's find that out in Answering Intrusive Thoughts video series, Part 6. Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Sneezing is a reflex action that our body uses to expel irritants from our nose. It's a powerful, involuntary expulsion of air. When we sneeze, our eyes automatically close. This is a natural protective mechanism to shield our eyes from any expelled particles. But is it possible to override this reaction? The answer is yes, though it's not common. You can train yourself to keep your eyes open. So, while it's unusual, sneezing with your eyes open is certainly possible. Stay tuned for more such intriguing insights with Answering Intrusive Thoughts video series. Thanks for watching.